Welcome to the tutorial on setting up Flowise AI and the Qdrant database using the Qubinets platform. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process, from logging in to launching the services. Let's get started. First, we'll sign into Qubinets. On the home page, look to the top right corner and click Sign In. If you don't have an account, simply create one by following the registration instructions. Once signed in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, we'll create our new project. Click on New Project and ensure that DevOps is selected. If it isn't, select it manually. In the project name field, enter something like Demo and proceed. On the next screen, we'll select No Cloud Account Needed. This option is ideal for following this tutorial because it doesn't require a cloud account. Keep in mind that this is the prototype option, meaning the project is temporary, it expires, and is automatically deleted after 3 hours and 30 minutes. This is great for quick tests, but you'll want to select a different option for production. Qubinets also gives a warning. You are building a prototype in a test environment. Your project will be deleted after 3 hours and 30 minutes. Next, we reach the section where Qubinets offers project templates. We'll skip this step, so simply click Next. Now we're on the page where we'll select the services we want to use. Scroll down and locate Flowise and Qdrant. Select both services since we'll use them together. Flowise for setting up AI interactions, and Qdrant as the database for data storage and retrieval. Once we're confident we've selected everything correctly, click Finish, and your project will be created. On the right side of the interface, you'll see a list of your projects. Our demo project will be listed there. Click on it, then, near the top middle of the screen, select Instantiate. This action will start the process of deploying the services on the cloud. The setup process may take between 5 and 15 minutes, depending on project size and current demand. While we wait, we can monitor the setup status. On the left side of the interface, find Status Building. Clicking this option will open a console at the bottom of the screen, where you can see the real-time progress. During setup, you may see some temporary errors for services. Don't worry, this just means the servers are initializing and haven't yet been confirmed as active by the system. Once the instantiation completes, 2 tiles will appear on the main screen, one for Flowise and one for Qdrant. When both tiles turn green, the services are ready to use. Now, we'll access the Flowise interface. Hover over the Flowise tile, click on the 3 lines in the upper right corner, and then select the icon to open the page in a new window. This will open the Flowise interface. To log into Flowise, return to Qubinets and click on the Flowise tile again. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the login credentials, username and password. Copy these and enter them in Flowise to sign in. With this, our setup is complete. You can now start using Flowise AI for your AI projects and manage data through the Qdrant database.